Today, I'll show you how to create a VHS effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, make sure your clip is added to the timeline. Go to the Edit page at the bottom of the screen. Once you're there, look to the top left corner and click on the button labeled Effects. This will open an Effects window. In the Effects window, click on Open FX. Scroll down until you see the Resolve FX Film section. From here, drag and drop the film grain effect onto your video. Then, drag and drop the film damage effect onto the same clip. Finally, add the flicker addition effect. Once you've added all the effects, go to the top right corner and click on Inspector. In the Inspector panel, navigate to the Effects tab. Here, you can fine-tune the settings for each effect to match your preference. Next, to enhance the VHS effect, download a VHS overlay from a website like Pexels. Add the overlay to your timeline on a layer above your clip. With the overlay selected, go back to the Inspector panel. In the Composite mode, change it to Color Dodge. Now when you play the video, you'll see the complete VHS effect applied to your footage. And that's it.